Yes guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. We are back, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I've been gone for like 2 years, yeah? But you know what, your boy is back. We're going to be banging out content consistently from now on. So yeah, if you're excited for this POV drive, smash that like. We're going to be ripping this car around, spinning it around the block. So if you didn't know from my last video, I added a new exhaust to my car. So my car sounded like a Bugatti Veyron, basically with a turbo shoved up its ass and a supercharger added to it. Basically, my car sounds like a Bugatti. So yes, we're going to be spinning this car around. We're going to be doing some madness. I'm just going to be going on a little cruise actually. Let me chill. I'm going to go on a little cruise. I'm going to thrash it a bit. But yeah, we're going to be chilling. If you're excited for this video, subscribe if you are new and leave a like and also suck your stuff. But anyway, let's get into this POV. I've been gone for a little while, but you know what? Your boy is back. We're going to start uploading consistently from now on. I do have a lot of videos planned. Like I do have quite a few videos that I'm trying to get out. So hopefully I can get them out as soon as possible. But yeah, if you listen to the car, like, come on, like my car, it just sounds good. Like, look, I have this exhaust on, but I'm legit planning to get another exhaust. Like, the one I'm getting is straight pipes. This one has a back box on it. Like, the one I'm literally getting is straight pipes. Bro, this car, it's gonna sound mad. Like, it's a 1.4 Corsa. So, like, why does it sound like this? Like, why does it sound like this? I don't get it. Like, the exhaust, I paid this exhaust for like £80 as a learner driver. That used to be me back in the day. Be careful, little man. Fucking hell. But yeah, what I was saying, yes, there's another exhaust I'm getting. I'm literally getting a straight piped one. So like my car's gonna sound literally like an Audi, bro. It's legit gonna sound like an Audi, bro. Like legit, like it's gonna sound like an A3 with a twin turbo exhaust on it, with your nan's cousin on it, you know what I'm saying? All sorts of shit. Like, oh, I stalled. I fucking stalled, bro. I never stalled. Why did I stall? I fucking stalled! Oh my days! I never fucking stalled. Why did I stall? Listen, I'm cutting that part out. Listen, yeah, listen. When I say I'm a good driver, I'm a good driver. I don't know how I stalled. You've seen, look, I've made so many POV drives, I never stall. Today, I don't know what happened. I lost my mechanism. 2 + 2 didn't equal 12 no more, do you know what I'm saying? So that's why it happened. Look, we don't want to talk about it. We're just gonna drive, yeah? I don't want to talk about that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I stalled. Bro, I never stall. Like, what? I never fucking stall. Ah! I didn't run the red. I ran the orange, rude boy. I ran the orange. I didn't run the red. Listen, any feds out there that's watching this video, I didn't run the red. Yeah, relax. It was legit an orange, and I just don't want to stop because, oh shit, man's towing. I didn't even deep. I was wondering, why is that car driving so close? Bro, he's literally towing it. Oh my days, bro, I didn't even deep that. That's mad. Man's car got X'd off, rude boy. Reese, bruv. Reese. Let me chill. I'm gonna bust a left right here because obviously your boy's a Bugatti driver, so sometimes you gotta bust a little quick left, you know what I'm saying? It's overdue. I need a gal sitting in this passenger seat right here, yeah? Sitting next to me, she just bare rubbing my thigh. Like, that's what I need right now. I need a girl just bare rubbing my kneecaps, you know what I'm saying? You know that ticklish thing that they do, like when they do this on their kneecap? I need a girl to do that to me right now, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm in the mood for. I want her to also rub my pec, you know what I'm saying? A lot of upcoming videos coming soon, you know what I'm saying? I've got modifications coming. I've got more POV drives coming. I might do another POV drive on a car that I don't even have. Like, I'm hiring a car, so I might do a POV drive on a hired car, you know what I'm saying? That will be kind of lit. I also have like a review coming. Like, I need to do a review on this car. Like, I still haven't done that yet, and I need to do it like ASAP. But yeah, I have that coming. I've driven here before. Look at that, bruv. If you can see that, rude boy, look at it. Let me be careful. Oh, fuck, that gives me PTSD every time I do that, fam. But listen to the engine. Yes, sir. On slime sheet, you dig that? Look at the fucking corner in. Coilover's coming soon, son. Look at the corner in. Look at the corner in. Listen. Coilover's coming soon, yeah? I'm gonna be on the track. Look at that Corsa. I'm gonna be on the track, yeah? Fucking head, bro. I'm telling you. Fucking hell, son. Oh. Why is this fucking moving long, rude boy? Like, I'm legit, my foot's fully down. I can't even catch up to that bus, bro. Like, this car is slow, but it sounds like porn, but the car is slow as fuck. Like, I can't lie. Like, my foot will be down, fucking spinning the shit. Oh yeah, I forgot about petrol. Look, my foot's fully down. My foot's fully down. My foot's fully down. Fourth gear, fully down. Like, it can't even pick up. Look at it. Like, look, man, it's legit struggling, bro. Like, it's legit struggling. Like, I don't know what's going on. It just, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, let me slow it down. Let me chill. I can't lie. I need to relax. I'm getting a bit too excited. My cock's getting bare big. Like, I need to chill. I need to chill. So now I'm gonna have a little cruise. You know what I'm saying? I said I was gonna thrash it a bit. Now let's have a little cruise. Like, I'm just gonna chill, relax, sit back, drive my car. You know what I'm saying? If anyone's learning to drive, don't drive like me, because one, you're wasting your petrol. Two, your nan's probably gonna ask you where you are, and your nan's gonna be like raw. And then three, there's no point driving like this because it's unsafe. This guy right here is gonna be, he's gonna go on, mate. See, I'm such a nice guy. See, I like dogs. Look at that. My guy. He's my fucking nigga, blood. He's my guy, you know. I don't fuck with that guy, bro. He's my flipping I made a friend today. Oh my gosh, I made a friend today. But there's, oh, she's leng. She's leng, rude boy. I'm gonna spin that round. Man said there's a fucking school there. I would never have known there was a school here, bro. I don't even know what's down here. Let me just have a look. I love the sound of my car. Like, if you man are hearing this shit, like, honestly, a Hornet exhaust with the back box one, solid whip. Solid whip. Like, not solid whip, solid exhaust. I'd give it a solid, like, what, out of 10 for a Corsa, 7. Like, 7. Like that, like, it can't, it's not great, but it's not bad. You get it? So 7 is a solid thing to give it. I can't lie. Like, it's like there's a straight pipe one that I want to get, which I need to get, which I'm gonna get, but I haven't got it yet. So that's what I plan to do basically, is get the straight pipes one. But there's so much mods I need to do to my car. Like, my car, yeah, it's gonna literally be a beast. I was thinking of getting a turbo, like, and shoving a turbo up its ass, but I don't know if I should do that. Like, it's gonna cost me a lot of money to do. I was also thinking of getting a wrap, like, but a wrap again is gonna cost more than my car. It's like, you gotta weigh up. If I was rich, yeah, say if I was like DMO DJ, I'd send this Corsa to space. Do you know what I'm saying? I would just do the most stupidest, chaviest, weirdest, random, stupidest shit anyone could ever do to a Corsa, and I'll just do it. But obviously, money's not there. Okay, listen, I got a deal. If you guys help me get 100k subs, this Corsa, I'm gonna send it to Narnia and back. That's the deal. Everybody share this video with your friends. Get your friends to subscribe. Everybody, literally everyone that's watching this video, share this video with your friends. Get everyone to subscribe and try and get this. If we can get 100k subs, then I will legit send this Corsa to Narnia. If I still have it, I don't know, because it might take me a while to get 100k subs. I don't know. But if I get 100k subs quickly and I still have this car, I'm sending it to Narnia. I'm back. Fucking hell. Right, listen to it again. Woof. I don't even know what I'm driving, so I need to be careful, bro. I'm gonna end up in flipping Zimbabwe, bro. Oh yeah, the petrol. I want to talk about the petrol. I need to go on a little rant real quick, yeah? Because this petrol situation is pissing me off. I was low on petrol. I had like less than a quarter tank left. I have a quarter left, but I had less than a quarter, yeah? And fucking, I needed petrol. These people, yeah, that have over half a tank of petrol, you do not need to go and get petrol, rude boy. Big man, suck yourself. You do not need to go get petrol. People that actually need petrol, get petrol. I don't know why everyone's bugging out because of this shortage. Like, I haven't been able to get petrol. That's why look, I'm going on a rant. I'm sorry, but that's why I haven't really been uploading much, because I was gonna get petrol, but now I don't want to get petrol, like, because it's gonna be fucking hectic. But I'm gonna do a U-turn right here. I can't lie. Listen to the air. It sounds like it's like, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Hey, yeah. Who saw that DMO DJ video with the Polo, bro? The Polo GTI, bro. That thing's bare quick. Someone stole it and then went on the joyride or something. But bro, I was looking at getting a Polo, bro. Them things, yeah, and then sending it to space. But okay, wait. Let me just chill. Oh, there's cameras here. Let me just chill. That guy's car sounded like Pornhub, bro. I need to get mine louder, bro. I'm just so, like, every time I drive past a car that's mad, their cars are always so much louder. Like, I literally need to make my car louder. Like, I would not be happy if my car's not loud. Like, it just needs to be, it just needs to be loud. This man can see me coming. Why the fuck would you try and like go past as well? The fuck? Man, are weird, bro. So basically, my next mod, I bought a pair of fucking, what's it called? Dust flaps. What are they called? I don't fucking know what they're called. But dust flaps, whatever they're called. And pretty much, where did I go again? I went right, didn't I? So I need to go left. Fucking hell, what was I saying again? Yeah, I bought dust flaps for my car just to make it look a bit more juicier. So my next modification is most likely going to be that. But again, my schedule is all over the place. Like, I'll probably end up doing that in like 2 years, but then like fucking lowering my car in the next week. Do you know what I'm saying? So like, I can't be guaranteed, but that might be my next modification. It's so subtle and cheap. Like, it's a cheap mod to do, but I feel like it will make my car look a bit more sportier, a bit more like track ready looking motherfucking car. Do you get it? But yeah, I'm gonna probably add that on and see how that goes. You can go, mate. You can go. No, you can't go, mate. He needs to, when people come in there, they block off them people so you can go. See, he's a newbie, mate. I've been driving for 15 fucking years, cunt. I've been driving for 10 years, mate. I know about these stuff, mate. No, I'm joking. My instructor, bro. All my days, if my instructor, yeah, got him. And let's be honest, everybody who's passed their test, yeah, let's be honest. If your instructor got into your car, like right now, what would he think of your driving? Oh shit, my headlights go on. What would he think of your driving, basically? That's the question. That's the question of the day. If your instructor got in your car today, you've been driving for a year now. I've been driving for over a year. It's literally been over a year now. If my instructor got into my car, he'd cry. Straight up, he'd cry. He'd be like, don't know what happened to you. I'll be like, basically, 2+. Who sees my shifts though? I haven't even, okay, wait. I haven't even been concentrating on my shifts. But who's been seeing my shifts though? Okay, look. What, like, bro. Look at that. Look how quick that was. See? Look, fifth. Listen. My shifts are gone. Rude boy. But what was I saying? I'm literally all over the place. Yeah. If my instructor got into my car today, he'd be pissed. He'd be like, why is there one hand on the steering wheel? Why is your gear changes bare quick? Like, he'd legit think, why did you drive so quick? All that shit. Like, he legit get onto my ass about how I drive. Like, literally, I cannot say I lie. He probably would. Like, he probably would. Like, I can't even lie. That looks beautiful though. Who's seeing that? Look at this hill. I can probably go like 200 miles per hour. I need to end this video. I don't know how long this video is. Let me have a look. I don't know how long this video is. I don't know how much obviously I'm gonna keep in it. I'm probably gonna keep quite a lot. But yeah, let me just go for a cruise. Let me cruise. Let me just show you guys what it's like to cruise. So basically, a Vauxhall Corsa, 1.4 litre, modded exhaust, air filter. That's the only performance mod we got. Got a few decals, painted rims, my cock. I can't be serious. I can never be serious. But yeah, we're gonna just cruise now. It's basically, let me tell you about this car. It's quite nice to drive. It's smooth, you know what I'm saying? It's like butter. That's a cap. That's complete lie. I completely lied to you. The drive of this, when the road's smooth, it's great. When the road's bumpy, you're getting X'd off. It's done. Do you know what I'm saying? This car's not comfortable to drive compared to the Astra that my mate's got, compared to the BM that my mate's got. Smooth as butter. This, yeah, bare grumpily. Is bare like when you're driving. It's like fucking like what's going on, mate? Are you gonna fucking, what's this guy doing? But yeah, this car is nice, but you can cruise it. Like, you can legit cruise it. I can't lie. But anyway, enough waffling. I'm gonna end this video here. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. As I said before, 100k subs. Oh, she's laying, bro. 100k subs and your boy will fucking, oh my gosh, I almost hit that. 100k subs and your boy will send this Corsa to the moon. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.